ate, happy birthday. Happy 7th birthday sa iyo. Siyempre, ate, ang wish ni Papa, sana maging maganda ang buhay mo. Mag-aaral ka ng mabuti at maging mabuti ka anak mo. Andito lang palagi si Papa para sa iyo, para sa inyo, mga kapatid mo. Hanggang sa pinakahuling laban ng buhay mo. Andito lang palagi si Papa. Happy birthday sa iyo, anak mo.
Take a breath, let us turn to ripple. Keep your hands pressed out against your chest. And every siren went silent in my head. Oh, the sirens. Nowhere. I'm going nowhere. Nowhere. I'm going nowhere. Open eyes, streaming live for the first time. Spread your limbs, cold flush to the chest. And from the silence came sirens in my head. Lift her head to
Anak, happy 7th birthday sa'yo. Sana maging mabuti kang bata, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. At sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon ay handa sa akin. Handa namin ang papa mo sa'yo. At sa akin lang, wish ko na maging mabuti kang kapatid sa mga kapatid mo. At mag-aral ka ng mabuti at para matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. Mahal naman ka ng kapatid siya kanina. Love you!
They say that work is hard, but when I get younger, even as the lights dim low, even as the high winds blow, they say that work is hard, but when I get younger, even as the lights dim low, even as the high winds blow, I'm going nowhere. Even as the lights dim low, even as the sirens blow, even as the curtains close.
Happy birthday, Ate Aki. I love you.
Happy birthday, Akiko. I love you.